Welcome to PhiloMaths. So today I am here with this new problem that we have to find the number of digits of 17 to the power 200. So if I will say you that we can find the number of digits of 17 to the power 200, such a large number, even within 1 minute, so I think you will be surprised. But yes, we can find it within 1 minute. So how we can find? Let's see. So to find the number of digits, so to find the number of digits of 17 to the power 200, so to find the number of digits of 17 to the power 200, we have to do one thing. So what we have to do? We have to find the greatest integer of log of 17 to the power 200, and we will add 1 to it. So it will equals to number of digits of 17 to the power 200. So see, number of digits of 17 to the power 200 equals to floor function of log of 17 to the power 200 to the base 10 plus 1. So this floor function is also known as greatest integer function. So this will equal to floor function of 200 into log 17 to the base 10 plus 1. So this equals to 200 into 1.23044 greatest integer, that is floor function, plus 1. So this equals to 246.088 greatest integer of this plus 1. So this equals to 246 plus 1, that is 247. So 17 to the power 200 will be having 247 digits. In fact, you can find the number of digits of any number, whether it is large or small, by simple one function, that number of digit is given by, so number of digits is given by log of the number to the base 10 and greatest integer of log of the number to the base 10 plus 1. So thanks for watching this video. This was all for today, and keep subscribe the channel for more upcoming such questions. So I will bring more such questions in the future. So thanks for watching.